Your coder's worst nightmare is having an audit and you fail in it. And then you have to pay back money. They truly don't want that. And they tend to be very conservative and they tend to try to push you to undercode or being average in order to avoid being flagged and having audits. You didn't sign up to be an average person. You studied and got training for years and years and years to be far above the average. So do the same in the billing and coding. Master the ins and outs, and based on that, you can talk back to your coder and say, you know what, this is high complexity. How can I phrase it better? And also check my book, Physician Revenue Secrets, where I shared a lot of insights that I got to learn from physicians and from coders and auditors as well, along with several years of trial and error in order to optimize my practice as well. So, your coder is an ally, but you need to know your business. And thank you for watching.